welcome. In today's video, I will be decluttering and organizing my closet, y'all. I got these bins back here because baby girl just got a lot of clothes, and I just want to go ahead and just clean and clear everything out and just give our closet some space. But she's just gonna be running around playing, doing what she's doing while I'm trying to organize this closet. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you never miss another video. And also follow us on all our social medias. They are linked down in the description box below. And with that being said, let's hop right into this video. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. That was a bit much, but okay. Okay, so like I said, if y'all see toys just on the floor in the background, her toys are everywhere, which is why I got one of these bins to dedicate to her toys as her new toy bin. And we just gonna get rid of clothes and toys she no longer needs. So she about to play while I get started. So this is our closet, y'all. These are all 3 to 6 month clothes, I think. So we trying to get rid of these. No, these are all 0 to 3 month clothes. These right here are all 3 to 6 month clothes. And look at that. We need room for 6 to 9, 9 to 12, so on and so forth. And then up here are newborn clothes. Y'all see this? And then we got diapers up there. Like, yeah, this is our closet, y'all. It's just a lot. All right, y'all, this is so sad, but newborn. So we about to grab all of her newborn clothes. Sorry. Ow! Why are you biting me? Stop. Okay, but yeah, y'all, this is way overdue, but our closet had enough space, and then it came to the point where this is definitely necessary to closet declutter all of her things. Girl, what are you doing? You playing with your swan? Yeah, these are your old clothes. What you doing? You playing? Yeah, you tired? You want this hanger? Yeah. Pull up on me,
focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up.
All right, Zari, tell them it's playtime. Yay! You ready? Don't mind her hair, y'all. Uh-oh, you okay? Don't mind her hair. Gotta wash it tonight and moisturize it. Zari, come here. I brought her toys out. All her little play toys. We gonna play for a little bit. Come on. Which one you want? Is that your favorite right now? Yay. Is that your favorite one? She liked the little bubbles. Like this. It teaches her ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Right, Zari?
Lately I've been a little fell, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fell, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Yeah. Close it out.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, place on earth, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something